ये मेरा लाइफ का सबसे पहला डिजाइनर बैग था.
Wow.
You won't believe this was only for I think 1,10,000 then. Now if you go for it, it's gonna be like 4 lakh rupees.
4 lakh, yeah.
I think my LVs are really expensive, around 40,000 plus. And my parents used to love this perfume, so he used to use a male one, and my mom uses a female one.
Wow.
That's like a very cute connection they had. एक है ऑस्ट्रेलिया से और एक है दुबई से, तो ये मुझे मेरे डैड ने गिफ्ट किया था, तो इट्स ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी वेरी स्पेशल टू मी.
That's really sweet. Dad number 1.
Absolutely. Hi Jaspreet.
Hi Tina.
Welcome to my home.
Thank you so much. Wow, it's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Happy New Year, first of all.
Wish you the same, darling.
I can still see you are in the mood for Christmas.
Absolutely, I'm always in the mood for Christmas.
I know.
It's my favorite season. I feel life should always be merry and joyful. I'm always like in the spirit of Christmas.
So what is 2026 like? What are you up to?
2026 has just begun.
Yes.
But it has begun with a lot of gratitude, love, and lots of travel plans.
Yes.
हाँ जी.
I've heard काफी सारे projects भी अभी brew हो रहे हैं.
Absolutely. और मैं आपको पता है कल भी फ्लाइट लेके traveling.
Yes. Definitely. I'm here to see your entire collection and I've heard कि आपने अपने कुछ special pieces हमारे लिए निकाले हैं. So I'm very excited to see that.
काफी जो exclusive pieces है वो ही आप लोग के लिए निकाले हैं.
Okay.
And otherwise ना तो फिर इंटरव्यू चलते ही रहेगा.
So let's go.
Absolutely. Come.
चल.
So, Jasveen, these are few of my favorite bags
My God.
that I have. Every bag has a lot of emotion to it.
Yes. I hear there are a lot of stories also.
Absolutely. So, you know, ये सारे bags के पीछे एक story है. There are few of them, but they are very close to my heart.
Definitely. And I see a lot of LVs. Why is that so?
I don't know. It's just my natural love towards this brand.
Yes.
मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये Louis Vuitton और मुझे cartoons बहुत पसंद है. So I have few of these Gucci ones, but you know limited editions थे.
Definitely.
जिसमें Mickey Mouse बना था. Burberry is a classic, so I love these.
Yeah.
And pink is my favorite color, so you'll see a lot of pink.
A lot of pink, clearly.
जी.
So I see there's a classic Prada right there.
This Prada has a story. ये मेरा life का सबसे पहला designer bag था.
Wow.
And it was a Prada. And I was so confused कि मेरा पहला bag है और ये मैंने अपने पैसे से लिया था. And I got this from Macau, Hong Kong. I think every girl should have one Prada in their wardrobe, you know. It's a classic piece. Yeah, it's been like more than 10 years now. I have this one.
It's still uptight and clean.
It is. I need to give it for a detox.
Yeah.
But yeah, I still have a lot of emotions.
Yeah.
जब नया I started earning, so मैंने ये लिया था.
How much was this for back then?
You won't believe this was only for I think 1,10,000 then.
Okay.
But now if you go for it, it's gonna be like almost more than I think 4 lakh rupees.
4 lakh, yeah.
जी, हाँ जी.
Because it's another special edition उस जमाने का.
I mean,
So-
yeah, more than 10 years. So,
So-
समझ सकते हो.
Wow. So cool. Okay, I really want to talk about the two identical bags because I'm like, ये क्यों किया?
Yes, ये ना actually it is not mine only.
Okay.
मेरी mom का bag है और ये blunder मेरी mom ने किया.
Okay.
अब क्या है, when my mama loves these bubbly colors like
Yeah.
pink and you know pastel colors बहुत पसंद है. So if you notice this bag out here, ये जो है और ये जो है ये almost same है.
It's actually the same. Yeah.
इसमें जो है इसमें बॉन्जाई लिखा हुआ है. एक है ऑस्ट्रेलिया से और एक है दुबई से.
Okay.
So she thought that this is something different and she doesn't have this in her collection because इसमें ये लिखा है and then there are flowers in this. तो भूल गए थे कि उन्होंने
Less, हाँ.
लिया. And then when she came to Bombay, she's like, oh shucks, you know, I have 2 of these. That's when I got one from her.
Oh God, that's so
So
cute.
ये मेरी mom, thanks to my mom for this. उन्होंने थोड़ा सा misconfusion हो गया.
But that's a sweet story to tell, na? फिर.
Absolutely.
How do you also maintain these bags? Because Bombay weather is such, it's very difficult to store.
हमारे पास घर में ना एक separate एक cupboard है.
Okay.
सारे बैग्स के लिए है. मैंने ये सुना है that there are these companies in Bombay जो you know they are doing these bag spas and bag detox.
Yes.
Actually they are very good. I've never tried it yet, but I would love to try. But I get very scared, you know, कि Abhi these are all like, right from the store.
Yes.
So I would rather just use like some cotton with warm water and just, rub it off, or maybe with some baby wipes होते हैं
Yes,
जो
yes.
उनसे हम rub off कर देते हैं after coming back from a holiday. But I would definitely want to give it a try once
Okay.
I find something very authentic.
Lovely. Guys, if you all know something like that, just comment down below and give us
Please let me
suggestions.
know about it too, yeah.
Great, lovely. So tell me more about your collection.
So where do I start? I'm a huge Disney fan.
Okay.
Still. This is my second Mickey Mouse collection
Okay.
bag that I had. I personally like very big bags because मैं travel बहुत करती हूँ तो मैं उसमें सारा कुछ डाल
डाल
सकती हूँ, and
सकते
it kind of gives me like a school bag kind of a vibe also.
So cool.
And I have a lot of Neverfulls.
Yes,
like,
Neverfulls.
These are like something I really enjoy because एक ही bag में सारा कुछ आता है. I
Yeah.
think only when I'm partying or something तब मुझे छोटे bags लेके जाना अच्छा लगता है. But usually let's be practical यार. I need my sprays, my mint, my
Yes.
wallet, my sunglasses. तो वो छोटे bags में कभी नहीं आता है. तो I prefer the big ones. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ अगर आप एक expensive bag ले रहे हो तो फिर वो थोड़ा सा हटके होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
जैसे मैं आपको बताती हूँ एक Louis Vuitton है. I love hearts also. I love hearts and stars and all sparkly things.
Okay.
So एक मेरे पास bag है यहाँ पे.
This one.
This one is a Louis Vuitton bag and
Oh,
it has a heart in it.
this is so cute.
Yeah. So I like things that are a little different, and I think ये मुझे मेरी mom से I got this from my mom. My
Yeah.
mom always likes things that are different,
Yeah.
It's out of the box kind of a thing. So मजा भी आता है ऐसे चीजों में invest करने का.
Great. What is the weirdest thing I would find in your bag? If we are like shuffling through it, what is the weirdest item we'd find?
I'm very particular about my bags.
Yeah.
मेरा जो bags है ना उसमें बहुत सारे pouches मिलेंगे.
Okay.
तो एक पाउच होगा जिसमें मेरे लिप बाम्स होंगे एंड my hand creams and all of that.
Yeah.
फिर एक मेरा पाउच होता है जिसमें मैं अपना PCF हमेशा कैरी करती हूँ because we don't know
Hygiene.
I'm very particular about hygiene.
Yeah.
तो मैं एक सेपरेट पाउच रखती हूँ बिकॉज मैं अपने पर्स में कभी कभी चॉकलेट्स एंड बिस्किट्स भी रखती हूँ तो आई डोंट वांट एवरीथिंग टू बी मिक्स्ड अप. आई कीप लिटिल मिनिएचर्स ऑफ परफ्यूम. फिर मैं अपना मिंच रखती हूँ, my wallet, my credit card.
So there's nothing weird.
Never.
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 Is there something that you regret from this collection to buy? Like
Nothing. Nothing at all because everything is very precious to me.
Yeah.
And everything has a a memory.
Memory
like
attached.
मैं हमेशा एक चीज करती हूँ that whenever मैं जब कोई holiday के लिए या vacation के लिए जाती हूँ,
Yeah.
एक ऐसी चीज उस holiday से लेके आती हूँ, चाहे वो perfume हो, चाहे वो bag हो, चाहे वो sunglasses हो, or maybe it is a candle for that matter. That will always make me
Remind you of that
all
place.
the good times I had in that vacation.
And is there a bag that your mom is eyeing and she's like, ये तो मैं रखूंगी अपने पास?
नहीं.
ऐसा नहीं
My mom has a better collection than me.
God, please.
My mom also has a beautiful collection and everything is inspired by her.
Definitely.
She loves life and she loves...
She has a great style herself.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Definitely. Okay, so Tina, talking about investment, what do you think luxury bags fall in what category?
So you know what? I know there are a lot of people जो बोलते हैं कि हम luxury brands और bags लेते हैं as an investment and then बाद में हम resale करेंगे. But अभी तक मेरा वो zone नहीं हुआ है. Because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ bags जो मुझे gift मिले हैं from my parents हो गया या like I have bought them myself. तो वो मेरा एक emotion है like जो चीजें मैंने अपने कमाई के पैसे से ली है वो फिर मैं उसको रीसेल नहीं करना चाहती because everything was a little achievement for me, a stepping stone for me. So I don't think I would want to ever sell them or something, but you never know, maybe later, but not yet.
Okay.
हाँ.
So are there any other benefits that you can tell us, some tricks and tips?
मैंने recently सुना है ये and never tried it though. But मैंने ये सुना है that a lot of people buy luxury brands के जो products होते हैं या bags होते हैं by their credit card.
Okay.
Because there are some great credit cards that are giving you fabulous points. And those points you can actually, like if you're buying a bag for like 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, you get very good points on that. And then those points you can use it on your travel, on your hotel stay. तो ये कुछ मैंने अभी रिसेंटली मैंने पढ़ा इसके बारे में और सुना है. Never tried it though, but because I myself मैं बहुत points में holidays लेती हूँ. I'm like a total जुगाड़ queen and all that.
This is so cool.
मुझे लगता है कि अगर जहाँ से you can earn some extra points in Infinias or whatever it is. I always take it. I always enjoy it.
Lovely, lovely. And on that note, I hear you have a massive fragrance collection too.
I love perfumes.
So I'm very excited to see that. तो वहाँ चले अब? Let's go. So here's the crazy good collection. I think this is also
Some of my favorites, yeah.
Okay. So which is that one perfume that defines you?
A lot of them, but you know, I really like the.
That's a Chanel.
There's this one. I was in New York with my dad last year, and I fell in love with this perfume. It's by Victoria's Secret, and I don't know why. If ever a perfume that would define me would be these two for sure.
Okay.
But actually, all of them some way. But फिलहाल तो मेरे ये दो favorite perfumes हैं.
Okay. So what are the stories behind? You told me कि हर fragrance का एक story है specific कुछ का.
हाँ.
तो आप मुझे बताओ क्या है इसमें?
मैंने अपना एक campaign पहला किया था, which was for a high-end brand, and it was a perfume brand.
Yeah.
And it was this Red Door by Elizabeth Arden. It was one of my first collaborations that I had ever done.
Yeah.
So this is really close to me and close to my heart. And I love Coco Chanel. Like मुझे बहुत पसंद है, तो उनके मेरे पास काफी perfumes है.
Okay.
So you see, I have these both the colors and I've used them a lot. बहुत
Lovely.
use करती हूँ. So this is the purple one and this is the pink one. I love these chants by Coco. This is again Chanel number 5.
Number 5.
And it is a classic one.
Yeah.
For me, it smells like baby powder. For some reason, I just
Okay.
feel very cuddled and like very baby-like. So this is like one of my favorites. One of my very, very favorite perfumes is also by this Tiffany & Co. It just refreshes me.
Some emotion attached to it.
Emotion, yes.
Yeah.
I got this from New York and it was from Fifth Avenue. एक store था. And I don't know, it just takes me back. ये और एक Cartier का है मेरे पास perfume. I don't know if it's here or not, but मैंने Fifth Avenue से लिया था.
Okay.
And I was in New York for a show with my dad. तो you know वो जब भी मैं इसको smell करती हूँ ना, तो मुझे वो सारे memories याद आ जाते हैं.
Takes you back there.
Takes me back to New York, yeah. So and it was really fun. So you know, whenever I'm getting out,
Yeah.
I रात की time पे you know, I'm going for a party or something.
मुझे
ये बहुत पसंद है J'adore. I've been using this. This takes me back to London. It's like, you know, this takes me back to Mayfair, kind of a thingy. And
Do you also have hacks for it to stay longer?
so you know what I do?
Okay.
I don't like to put too much of perfume on my skin.
Okay.
तो मैं you know, कोई अच्छा सा थोड़ा सा you know Vaseline लगा दिया, तो थोड़ा सा Vaseline लगा के थोड़ा perfume मैं spray कर देती हूँ.
Okay.
Otherwise, I really put perfume on my clothes. I don't know why, because I like to moisturize my body
Yeah.
and then I like to put my perfume. So I think वो moisturizer के वजह से ना मेरा perfume stay करता है.
Stay करता. That's layering of
I
sorts.
used to. अभी recently I was at Cartier.
Okay.
और मैंने एक नया hack सीखा है, which I want to try, and I started trying of late.
Okay.
कि you know, they taught me that to layer your perfume with 2-3 perfumes together. So you know, like only of the same brand, what I would prefer.
Yeah.
But I'm going to try that also. You know,
Okay.
2-3 perfumes को साथ में लगा दो and see how the smell goes like.
Definitely.
Something different to do, something new to learn.
Yeah.
Maybe we can do
This is
that.
actually a very cool hack.
You never know.
Yeah.
I've never tried it though, but I was told by the sales girl at Cartier.
But is there any particular brand that reminds you of your dad's shooting days? You know, you used to go hit the sets maybe and sit there, and then it takes you back to those.
Definitely yes. My mom used to use this a lot. But yes, एक perfume है. It's one of my father's favorite perfume, and I think he must have used more than 50 bottles of this perfume.
Wow.
And that's Eternity. But this is for women.
Okay.
ये मेरी mom use करते हैं. And my parents used to love this perfume. So he used to use a male one and my mom uses a female one.
Wow.
So that's like a very cute connection they had. But मेरे dad ने almost for years एक ही perfume लगाया था, and that was Eternity. And all his films, I know, like it takes me back to all his, you know, those अखियों से गोली
मारे.
and
Yeah.
you know, like छप्पर फाड़ के and all those things that he was doing then
Yeah.
when he was an MP. So it just takes me back to those days. So this
Wow.
is something that I think it's very close to my heart.
So the secret is out, guys.
So you know, this is again one of my favorite perfumes. ये Gabriel by Chanel है. And again, this is very sexy and very cute, and I just love this.
Yeah.
It's just too good. So yeah, I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
This is one of the perfume मेरी friend ने मुझे recommend किया था. That's Delina.
Okay.
So this is a perfume जो मुझे मेरे बहुत close friend ने recommend किया था,
Okay.
भावना. This is a story what she told me. एक perfume है जो आप एक बार use करो ना, ये I think for a week आपके clothes से जाता नहीं
है.
It doesn't go. And the story she told me behind this perfume was that how a real life Barbie would smell like.
Oh.
That's the inspiration for this perfume. That's what I've got to know. And also this also kind of defines that how the most luxurious woman in the world would smell
like.
So that was an inspirational story, and it was her recommendation, and I was like, thanks to you, Bhavna, like seriously.
From the perfumes, I also know that you are too much into sunglasses.
Yes.
So we've got your favorites there too. So I would love to see that too.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have some of your favorites here.
एक चीज इंटरेस्टिंग बताऊंगी मैं आपको, just like my mom. देखिए, if you notice, these two are the same.
Yeah, I spotted that.
And मैंने realize ही नहीं किया था, but मैंने ये same design के दो sunglasses ले लिए थे.
Okay.
So one is from London and I think one is from Hong Kong.
Okay.
And this sunglass of mine, actually I had seen Victoria Beckham use this one. तो ये बहुत पुराना edition है, but I just love Victoria Beckham, so I was like, I need to have this, you know.
Great. And which is your most expensive one? Which you are like, yeah, ye to...
They all are very expensive, but I think my LVs are really expensive.
Okay.
They are more than like around 40,000 plus.
Okay.
And they both have a very interesting story. ये जो Louis Vuitton है, मेरे dad ने gift किया था 2 साल पहले. He was performing at Filmfare Dubai. It was such a hit, and my company we had done his costumes with one of my friend Hitain and everything. So he was so impressed by my work and his work, and he was like, listen, मैं तुम लोगों को कुछ gift देना चाहता हूँ, and he gifted me this. तो ये मुझे मेरे dad ने gift किया था, so it's always going to be very special to me.
That's really sweet. Dad number one.
Absolutely.
And I think this one looks very familiar to, you know.
Yeah. So this is again a LV, और
Yeah.
ये मैंने recently मैंने लिया था ये. और ये actually ना inspired है मेरे dad से.
Yes.
तो मेरी favorite film है मेरे dad की, राजा बाबू.
Okay.
And ये if you notice जो उनका iconic गाना था,
Yeah.
मेरा दिल ना तोड़ो, he is wearing something very similar to this. तो एक्चुअली ना उनका वो मूवी देख के, उनका जो इंट्रोडक्शन शॉट था वो देख के ना मैंने अपने रूम में एक कबर्ड बनाया जिसमें मेरे सारे परफ्यूम्स है, मेरे सारे गॉगल्स है, मेरे सारे सनग्लासेस है, बस सिर्फ अब वो टोपी नहीं है, बाकी सब कुछ है.
और राजा बाबू लुक के
मेरे सारे ज्वेलरी है वैसे ही मैंने रखे हुए. एंड यू नो एवरी डे इन द मॉर्निंग आई समवेयर आई एम इन अ फुल मूड ना, आई काइंड ऑफ चैनल दैट इन अ
राजा बाबू एनर्जी.
And I also just go through all of them and then put the perfume. तो ये वाला मुझे Louis Vuitton का मिला था. It's actually exactly like that frame that he was wearing in that movie. He had used in that movie. तो मैंने ये ले लिया. And मेरी मम्मी को लगा कि ये मुझे बहुत सूट करता है. तो
This is so cool.
Yeah, so this is something which is very interesting.
Great.
ये वाला जो है ये Chanel का है.
Okay.
और ये क्लासिक है. और इसके behind ये स्टोरी है कि my father was shooting for Bhagam Bhag.
Oh.
In London, and I have never worn sunglasses तब तक, you know, I was very small that time. तो मैंने जो जिंदगी का पहला sunglasses लिया था वो ये Chanel का था, and I think this piece will never go out of fashion. And it's been years now. I have it, and Papa was shooting for Bhagam Bhag, and I remember it's that time when I bought this from Central London.
That's such a special memory.
जी. So this is my first ever sunglasses.
And on that note, I have like a box full of memories for you, which is 5 to 6 pictures from your own Instagram.
Okay.
And you have to tell me the story behind them. Okay? So let's go. Okay, so we'll start with this one. I don't know, I found it very special.
Yeah, it is very special.
Yes.
This was, we were doing Filmfare, I think 2 years back, or Papa was performing, and me and my friend had done his costumes at that time. And Anil uncle was so sweet that he came to meet Papa in the van, and ऐसी सब बातें चल रही थी और वैसे ही मस्ती चल रही थी. And he was so motivating. I can say like he's such an inspiration. He's so positive. उनका attitude was so positive and he was very motivating. I'm like, please, I need a nice picture together. This is, I think, Bombay Times Fashion Week. Again, this is done by one of my very dear friend, my brother Hitain, and he likes to dress me up. वो ना अलग-अलग looks करते हैं. मैंने उनके साथ music videos भी किए. He's a producer also, and very very dear friend of mine, and he likes to kind of dress me up with different looks. and this was something that we did for the Bombay Times.
Lovely. Okay, so we've this one.
Oh.
It's such a cute picture.
Thank you.
Such a cute picture.
Thank you. This is Papa's birthday, and we had gone for a family dinner. Usually हम लोग इतने family dinners करते नहीं हैं. So it was really, really special, and Papa के साथ I'm always very different.
The happiest, yeah.
Very happy with him. So.
Okay.
Oh my God. This is Raksha Bandhan last year, and it was with Yash, and I'll tell you, I love dressing up. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि life is a party and you should try to dress up as much as you can. जितना हो सके जिंदगी को जियो. You have one life, and the best way to kind of feel happy and feel good for me is to dress up.
Dress up.
तो मुझे ना सारे festivals को celebrate करना बहुत पसंद है. तो मैं सारे ही celebrate कर लेती हूँ, चाहे वो ईद हो, Christmas हो, रक्षा. तो you know, रक्षा बंधन, भाई दूज, everything. So you know, I love to dress up. तो इस बार मैंने सोचा कि you know, मैं थोड़ा हटके रक्षा बंधन में कुछ ड्रेस अप करती. तो दिस वाज अ वेरी नाइस साड़ी, एंड मैंने ये पहली बार एक्चुअली मटेरियल यूज किया था साड़ी में. आई डोंट नो व्हाट दिस इज कॉल्ड, बट दिस इज समथिंग वेरी स्पार्कली एंड आई डोंट नो.
Okay.
Very nice it was. I liked it.
So Tina, as you know, the show is called HF Raids.
Okay.
So I can't let you go without giving us something for your fans and followers who are going to watch this show and episode.
Okay.
So what are we taking today?
I'm going to give you something really special, which is really close to my heart.
Okay.
Yeah, it's something pink and something cute that I have for someone. These are hair clips, और मैं ये बहुत use करती हूँ before doing my makeup. And I love them. It kind of makes you feel very cute and very disciplined, I feel.
Yeah.
Before doing your makeup.
And thank you so much, Tina. I hope you enjoyed today's episode.
I had a great time.
Okay.
I totally loved it.
Great. Thank you so much for letting us in and showing your lovely collection. Hoping to come back soon.
Absolutely, you're always welcome.
Thank you so much. Till then, bye, bol de.